Look how etched that window is. Yeah, see right here. Definitely time to replace it. People run silicon dioxide etch and it's etching the window. Looks like the O-ring might be good, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it anyway. New windows, new Viton gasket. That's always fun. Yeah, I'm cleaning this stuff off with some isopropyl. Kind of interesting. Some build up here where the window sits. I'm gonna clean that out real quick, or at least the surface where the gasket sits. Okay, ready for a new gasket. See how this works. O-ring seems a little undersized. Sometimes when you're getting O-rings to go into a groove, you need to give them a little bit of a twist. Come on, Mary. I have some more O-rings. I'm going to make sure this is the right size. Actually, there's the old one. They look pretty close to the same size. I suspect this old one could probably be reused. darker. Got it. Okay, so I put the window in. Put that back on there. Okay. Now it's time to pull vacuum on this guy. Let it stabilize. Yeah, plasma on. Shoot, still purple. There it goes. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, now I can see our lake very clearly. Very purple. Still wrong. But at least you can see it clearly. Okay. Still the wrong color though. Pretty cute. Still contaminated. Just lovely. Just lovely. Okay. So the other day I had a problem with the RIE, the March reactive ion etcher. And I found a hydrogen line that was really poorly plumbed. So I re-plumbed the line. That's this line here. I did label it. Labels. Trying to make it look pretty decent, or at least better than it was. I added a nice regulator and cut-off valve. The line goes all the way over here to our hydrogen generator, which hopefully says service required. Uh-oh. But it seems to be running okay. I guess I need to see what service is required. Also, we had a problem with some irreproducibility in etching, and turned out our oxygen wasn't on. It had cut off during a power glitch. Or one of our cabinets cut off. So I'll show you what the plasma looks like now. Okay, so let's take a look at the new colored plasma. Logged in, turning this guy on. Power reactors come on. And the power supply. So now, I'll go ahead and turn this to manual operation. Turn the vacuum on. Open the pressure sensor, pressure gauge. I think the first thing I want to do is look at the oxygen plasma. Decrease this to 20%. It's usually what it's set at. Alright. Good base pressure. Gas on. Let that pressure stabilize a little bit. The set point temp pressure is 300 millitorr. Alright, turned on the RF. We got plasma. 300 watts forward, low reflected power. There's the plasma. definitely much bluer. Not sure how true this color is going to be on the video, but it was sort of a bright purple. Now it's quite a bit more blue. Still got some tinges of purple in it. Plasma on, plasma off, plasma on. Well, it looks better though. Alright, so now I'm going to switch it to hydrogen. Turn the plasma off. I'm turn the gas off. You should see the pressure come down. What? That's kind of odd. Alright, so I'm going to turn gas 2 off. Set its flow rate to 0. And let's see. So there's a hydrogen. Still have to re-zero this MFC. So I want gas 1. Set it. Let's do 20. It's 20% of full scale, which in this case is 100 SCCM for nitrogen. Alright. Gas on. See the pressure increase like crazy. Alright. See what this plasma looks like. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very purple. Beautiful. Pure hydrogen plasma. Pretty cool. Just for giggles, let's look at some of the other plasmas. So I turned off the gas. Turned off, and the RF turned off right with it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. So let's look at gas 3. Gas 3, CHF3. Go 20% of that full scale. Alright, gas on. It's pretty viscous gas, so 20% of full scale doesn't actually give you a whole lot of flow rate. Go ahead and bump this up a little bit. Get it to about 300 millitorr. Alright. CHF3. Plasma on. Whoa. That is some blue plasma. Very blue. Alright. Normally we wouldn't do this, because without oxygen or hydrogen to scavenge some of these guys, usually we have oxygen in there, scavenge carbon. Alright, plasma off. Gas is off. Let's see what gas 4 looks like. The only difference is it's lacking a hydrogen. I bet I would expect the color to be about the same. Gas on. Let the pressure come to an equilibrium. That's probably good enough. 20, 205. Alright, let's see what this plasma is. 1, 2, 3 plasma on. Yeah, as expected. It's all about the same color. Alright, set this back to program number 1. Usually our DSCUM program number 1, using pure oxygen. And that's it. Seems to be fixed except for that MFC not showing true. Which maybe I'll come back and play with. I don't know. Still early. Yeah. Maybe I'll pull the cover off this.